Do you want to know?
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this space, I am Melody Onyebuchia. This is Gewmel space. You are so welcome. And to my returning subscribers, my OGs, welcome back. I love you guys. If you want to get to know these tips, this is the video for you. Stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. For number one, this is how you start your makeup guys. Just make sure you cleanse your face. You can use a micellar water. You can also use your cleansing wipe as seen, and you can also use you can wash your face guys. You can just wash your face. So just make sure you cleanse your face so that any remaining makeup product you have on your face will just go away. Then for number two, you need to moisturize guys. Try and moisturize because you don't want your foundation, your concealer, your whatever you're going to put on your face to crease or break. So just try and moisturize your face to add moisture to your face, to leave your face looking fresh. You understand what I mean, right? Just make sure you moisturize your face. Then guys, the next thing you want to do, mix your Illuminator with your moisturizer, then apply it on those places that you want to glow. And guys, just do this and thank me later. Some people say you can't apply your blush before your foundation. Says who? Says who? You can guys, watch me do it. Who says you can't use your cream lipstick as a blush? Says who? Watch me do it guys. So beautiful. You can apply your blush before your foundation, and you can also use your lipstick as your blush. Make sure you use your finger to blend. I used my beauty blender one time, I didn't work. Don't try it. Use your finger to blend it out. Who says you cannot use your beauty blender to blend out your foundation for medium coverage and your foundation brush for full coverage? Says who? Guys, if you want a full coverage, use your foundation brush, and if you want a medium coverage, use your beauty blender. You're supposed to use your blender dry. Says who? Soak it in a bowl of water and make sure the blender is damp. Watch me do it. After applying your foundation on your face, use your setting spray to spray on the foundation and use your damp beauty blender to blend it in. Watch me do it. When you finish blending out your foundation, the next thing you're going to do is to apply your concealer. You apply your concealer under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, on your forehead, on your chin, and that's it guys. I'm just going to go right ahead and blend out my concealer with my damp beauty blender. When you're done blending the concealer under your eye, try and make sure to put your setting powder immediately. You can't set your under eye with your pressed powder. Says who? You can set your under eye with your pressed powder guys, and you can do that before putting your translucent powder. Watch me do that. You're going to apply your concealer, your foundation, your moisturizer, whatever is liquid and creamy. Make sure you apply that before all your powder product. So guys, that is what I'm doing here. After applying my cream product, I went ahead to set my under eye with my pressed powder. To contour my face, I'm using this dark color on my powder palette, and I'll use that on my cheek. If you don't want to change the color of your concealer, make sure to apply a translucent powder. This is one tip I wish I knew earlier. And if you just want to add more color, you want your concealer to have the color of your pressed powder, then you can use the pressed powder. So guys, at the end of the day, it will all come out looking nice, trust me. And to contour your nose, the first thing you need to do is to go with your eyeshadow transition shade. I mean the brown color. Let me not go there so you don't go and put red on your nose. The first thing you need to do is to go with a lighter shade of your bronzer color, like a shade one shade lighter at the side of your nose first, with your normal fluffy blending brush. Then you go with your precise brush. As you can see, I'm going to use that to take a little bit of the darker shade of contour powder, and I'll use that to narrow the bridge of my nose. So I'm just going to do that. Don't get scared, guys. Don't get scared. I'm still going to blur that out. So just use that on that at the side of the bridge of your nose to narrow your nose and make it look pointed, as you can see. So this is how you do it. After contouring your nose, the next thing you want to do is to go with your translucent powder. For translucent powder, I am going to use this very amazing translucent powder I have. It's very affordable, and it's very, it gives me the best result I can ever hope for. So I'm going to use that to set my under eye again, and also to do a reverse contour on my nose. Guys, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I don't like doing this thing you do here. Like, I've tried it though in my previous videos, but I don't think it's working for me. So guys, if you want to do that, fine. But if you don't want to, you can just go ahead with your translucent powder to do a reverse contour at the side of your nose and at the under of your eyes. So that's basically it. It's not hard, is it? Another tip, guys. Let me give you tip number 51. If you have applied too much blush on your face and you just want to tone it down, the thing to do is to get your dry beauty blender, remove the excess product, then get your pressed powder and use that to blur it out. Snatched! It's so snatched! It's so like that. With these few points of mine, I'm happy to tell you that you slayed your face. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, click the notification option to get notified each time I post a new video. Like, share, guys, please. Help grow this baby girl, cause without you guys, I'm not a YouTuber. So please try to do all these things. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.